So I was sent this 4-in-1 charger to review by the seller, and out of the box, the build quality is very sturdy. It is a little larger than what you might expect a charger like this to be, but that's okay because it's got a lot of functionality. So it's got the USB Type A, USB Type C, and then 2 retractable cables. I'm just gonna demonstrate it here. Right, pulls out, and it says 31 inches is how long it goes. So you pull it out, and there's different catch points, right? So it's not like there's a ratchet in there, and then of course, like I said, it goes all the way back in there. There's a USB Type C, it's not really, there you go, USB Type C and a iOS or a Lightning charging cable. And the voltage and everything is listed on the product description, but just really quickly, it will work in a 12 or 24 volt cigarette lighter, right? One of those, right? There is a common complaint in the reviews that the weight overall, whenever you plug it in, as the car is bouncing, it kind of droops a little bit under its own weight. There's a solution for that. Just turn it like this. Just turn it like this, right? Up and down. It hinges. If it hinges side to side, then it's not gonna droop under its own weight, right? The voltage indicator will tell you how much the plug is putting out, or the socket or whatever is putting into this adapter. And generally speaking, everybody is going to be using a Type C USB or a Lightning. Most phones, most devices, cameras, drones, all of that generally use one or the other. But if you don't, then you have these 2 FEMO plugs, like I said, to bring your own cable. Now, obviously, the more cables you plug into this, the less output that it's going to have. But all in all, I'm very pleased with this, and the build quality is very nice. Here is a can of soda for size reference. Okay. Just for a sense of scale. All right. Thanks to the seller for sending me this product to review. So far, it's charged every single device that we have. My iPhone, my tablet, my laptop even. Yeah,